Hi, my name is Jeannie. On this channel, I talk about Squishmallows, Build-A-Bear, Squishables, basically anything that I think is cute. If you like this kind of content, don't forget to like and subscribe because it really helps this channel out. And today we're talking about Build-A-Bear. We're talking about their Cubscription Box service, which is very much geared towards children. However, I bought it because I saw a sneak peek for it a couple months ago and it featured a very cute axolotl. So Build-A-Bear does have two axolotls at the time that I'm filming this video that are currently sold out. I never ended up getting them only because, like I've said many times, I am limited on space right now, so I'm kind of trying to hold off unless it's something I absolutely love. And I do like axolotls a lot. I've worked with them in the past when I used to be in the animal field, so this is really cute. I saw that there was one included in the Cubscription box for summer and I decided to go for it. However, that's before I realized that this box, like this subscription box, is run by Culturefly and I haven't had the best experience with them, so I will link that relevant video if you want to see it because it is time-stamped. I had some issues with Culturefly. I just feel like their service isn't great, which is really sad for me to say because I've been a part of their programs. Like, I've been paying for my subscriptions for over 6 years, and recently I think my eyes have kind of been open a little. But nonetheless, we're going to review this particular box. It's very beautifully designed and it does show you what you get on the inside. Remember, this is geared towards kids, so anything that isn't suitable for my lifestyle is obviously going to be given away to loved ones or friends of loved ones. When you open it up, it has the Build-A-Bear logo on it, and then it has all of these cute little things. The first one is a waterproof phone case with a lanyard. This is really cute, very handy, perfect for kids. I didn't get my first phone until I was already on my last year of middle school, but things have changed, so this is very nicely decorated. I'm not going to take it out of the package because, like I said, this is going to be gifts for other people, but I think it's really pretty. It also comes with a little pamphlet that talks about every single item. The one we just talked about is the waterproof phone bag with lanyard. If you're chilling by the water and keeping cool from the sun, put your phone in this waterproof bag so you can keep playing and having fun. The next thing we have is a tote bag. It says beach tote bag. I'm curious to see what the quality on this. It's kind of like canvas. It's actually really cute, but it's also quite small, so the handles are very long. I mean, it's not super small. It's a little narrow, I feel like. Look at the design. It's super cute. There's just some pineapples, some flowers, some surfboards, some cute summer drinks. It says here, carry all that you need inside this tote bag. It can hold so much stuff, but we don't want to brag. Along with that, we also have these little keychains. I've seen these everywhere. It's those little popper keychains. So this one's shaped like Build-A-Bear's logo, and you just pop it and you can clip it onto your keychain. I'll definitely be giving this away. All right, next we have some Sidewalk Chalk. So we have a blue one, a green one, and a pink one. They're shaped like the same logo of Build-A-Bear, like the little bear, which is really cute. I will be giving this away, so I'm not going to take it out of the packaging, but it fits the summer theme really nicely. So this originally got delivered to my house maybe like 2 weeks ago, so it got delivered in August, which I feel like personally is a little bit late for summer fun, even though, you know, it's the last month before summer's over. That's the problem with Culturefly, is that you never really know when things are getting here, and I got charged for this box, I want to say back in June. So there was a little graphic that I saw that kind of gave you an indication of, based on when you were signing up, when you were going to get your first box. So if I can find it, I'll put it right here. But I didn't see that initially when I signed up for this box because all I was thinking about was getting the axolotl, which I'm about to talk about because this is the main reason that I got this box. Obviously, this is not for me, but Culturefly just can take a while. I heard eventually this might get sold individually, like you don't have to have the Cubscription. And also, when I went to Build-A-Bear recently because I was looking for Zero, I saw a bunch of these boxes in store just sitting there. So I would think that's the best option. I'm not sure if that's only something that happens when they have an excess of boxes available, but if possible, I would definitely just look for these in stores instead of signing up, because sometimes canceling with Culturefly can be a bit of a headache as well. That's just my own personal experience. I know people have had a great time with them, and for the first 6 years that I was with them, I did have a great time with them, but like I said, if you haven't seen that video, it definitely gives you more context to the situation. But here's the axolotl, and honestly, it's super soft. Like, this is a cutie pie. I'm impressed. She's like a beautiful baby pink. She has a little heart cut out that has the same print as the box, and on her little feet as well, it has that same summery print. And then in the back, you kind of see the little, this is so cute. So I definitely like it, and I think we should put on that shirt just to do the full shebang. But this is great for kids. This is a great option. I think this is so fun to kind of get your own little bear that you can just have at home. I want to say it's a little bit cheaper than if you were getting a bear from the store, because when you get a bear from the store, you're gonna get upsold. That's kind of part of the process. I used to work at Build-A-Bear. It was the same thing. We were taught to show them every step of it so that they would be more likely to buy a beating heart or add a scent or a sound, which obviously is going to increase the price by at least $6. All right, there's the outfit. Oh my goodness, how cute. This is also really, really soft. I'm very happy with this axolotl. It took a while to get here, but she is a cutie pie. It's a plush button down. I forgot to say that that's what the shirt was. But it's really cute. I like it. Let's do a little close-up. Oops. Sorry about that. She's a little, it kind of is a little, I don't know. It kind of tends to go back a little while this one goes front, but that's fine. How cute. How cute, how cute, how cute. Super duper soft too. This is like softer than a lot of the Build-A-Bears that I have, so I'm happy about that. So overall, I'm happy with this. I think I saw a sneak peek for the next one, which is also going to be Halloween themed, so I'm not going to cancel just yet. But I think this was like $30. I'm going to put the full price that I paid for right here. Like I said, it was a while ago. I honestly completely forgot about this until it got shipped to the P.O. box. But I think it's cute. I think it's great for kids. I think a culture flight isn't going to be an issue with most people unless you're like moving or something, because that was the issue that I had originally. And also that just takes a while, so don't expect any kind of instant gratification once you order it. It's not going to ship within a week. It's usually going to take a lot longer than that with any of their subscription boxes. I'm most familiar with the Pusheen box because that's the one that I've been subscribed to since its creation. But if you made it to the end of this video, thank you so much for watching. I really, really appreciate it, and I will see you very, very soon with another video. Bye.